Another young man coming to the stage next that a couple of you may have heard of. He's a fairly newcomer to the hobby. You know, only been doing it a little while. Not real well known yet, but I think you'll enjoy him. Put your hands together for Mr. Nick Maxwell.
Nick Maxwell is the winner of several different competitions. I apologize for not remembering the years, but I know he's won 3D Masters, he's won XFC this year. Absolutely awesome pilot. And he needs some encouragement too.
Now, Nick is not running 1200 RPM. Nick is also flying a Raptor G4 E720. He uses this machine both for 3D and FAI F3C competition. Nick's a member of the U.S. F3C World Team. Will be representing the United States next year in Poland at the World Championship. Nick's flying this with a Futaba XFC transmitter, CGY 750 flybarless system with the new version 1.3 update. Nick's also running B-blades. These are the new 715s from Nick.
Let's make a little noise for him, folks. This is the one, the only Nick Maxwell. This is the king of the Sky High Auto. I think that was only about a foot off the ground.
Let him hear it, folks.
Make some noise. I know we can close that gap a little bit. Make some noise. There's still some space. There it is, folks. Whoa!
And there will be no Sky High Auto today. Hey, you didn't have to follow what Matt did there, Nick. Put your hands together for him, Nick, or everybody. Mr. Nick Maxwell. He laid it on the line for you.
All right,
On behalf of Hobbyco, we thank you for allowing us to come out here and show our equipment for you.